In 2014, the Fort Ward Youth Advisory Committee was formed with the task of renovating and restoring the old 1910 Fort Ward Bakery building, which was in dire need of renovation. And the goal was to turn it into a community center. And the group that formed this is actually 4 Bainbridge High seniors.
Eric is our biggest fundraiser because he wants to get out of there and he's going to ask you, so how much you want to give? Isla is the natural leader. Mark is the one who believes passionately in history, and Kate is the glue that keeps the group together. The kids really seem to understand that this was going to be more than a building, that this was going to be a gathering point, a soul of the community, a history of the community, a place that will be around for another 100 years, and they really understood the import of that.
Everybody they made a presentation to about the story of the bakery building was very impressed, including the Historic Preservation Commission. They also gave a presentation to Rotary, they gave a presentation to the Bainbridge Island Parks Department, and also one to City Council. And by the way, the Rotary said it was the best presentation they've ever heard, so that's quite an accolade. We were particularly impressed with their commitment and their focus on this project, and you could tell it's something they really, really cared about. It came through loud and clear in their presentation.
One of my favorite group of pictures are all 4 kids explaining to adults, the mayor, all these different people about the history of Fort Ward and being the expert and having all these adults look at them because they know it now.
One of their major tasks facing the Fort Ward Youth Advisory Committee was raising funds for this project, and it's not an inexpensive project, but they got off to a great start. Just going door to door in the initial weeks, they raised over $10,000. In addition to that, they've received funds from the Washington Trust for Historic Preservation, and just recently received a $60,000 challenge grant from Rotary, and they've already met their goal in meeting that challenge.
We have to raise about $350,000, and they've raised about half of it, which is pretty amazing. And they've done that by going door to door, asking neighbors, by applying for and getting grants, by selling t-shirts and hoodies and cups, and they got us on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram, and kept coming up with ideas of getting the word out in ways that reached a whole bunch of different people. And the fact that they have gotten this far is a huge, huge accomplishment. This little historic bakery is going to be a community center for the entire island. It will be the only and the first community center on the south end of the island. You can have classes there. You can have a community barbecue there. You can have movie nights. It's going to be a treasure for the community to be able to use and take advantage of.
In 2015, the committee received an award from the City of Bainbridge Island called the Blakely Award, and the whole goal behind this particular award is to recognize people that show leadership in historic preservation with the hope that it'll inspire others to do the same. And coincidentally, about a year after they received this award, there's another new project going up right next door to the bakery, so apparently their leadership is paying off. What came through to me was the fact they were concerned about giving back to their neighborhood that they grew up in. And they were leaving school next year, and they wanted to make a difference for the kids that are coming down the road. So that really came through loud and clear. They're not doing this just as a high school project. They're doing it because they care about their community, and they really want to see this community hall come to fruition.
One of the things people think is that kids are too young to do important, impactful things in communities. That's not true. In this case, it was very clear that being young was a huge advantage because they could inspire better than anybody else could.